Hey guys, it's playtime. Today we have Vampirina Scare B&B. It's a big playset that comes with two figures, Vampirina and her best friend Poppy. Look at that. This is from Disney Junior. Alright, let's open this up. This is my favorite toy, the bubble wrap. Oh look, it's the bat. Instructions and stickers.
This is so much fun. My skin may be blue, but I'm really just like you. That's right. Alright, here's the Scare B&B. We already fully assembled it. Very beautiful actually. It doesn't look spooky. I think it's because it's very colorful. Lots of color combination: blue, magenta, purple, black. And on top you can see the bat. Lots of cobweb details around the house. And alright, let's get inside the house. Let's close the door. Going down here you can see the coffin shaped floor with a carpet. And then on this side is the kitchen. Here's the food or the sandwich and the soup. I don't know what soup are they making. And then the fridge is also coffin shaped. It's red. Let's open. Whoa, lots of foods. Are you hungry, Vampirina? No, I'm good. I have to show you around my house. Alright, thank you, Vampirina. Oh, let me close the fridge first. There you go. Let's go. Let's put the dining table right there in the corner. While we're touring around the house, let's have Poppy sit down in the couch. And on top right there, you can put Vampirina upside down. Like a little bat.
Yeah.
Body time! There she is, and it lights up. Wow, cool. Nope, she doesn't spin. But you can manually do like this, I think. You can really spin this here. Yeah, that's for the dance floor. Right on top is the dance floor. Okay, let's remove Vampirina.
Then we go here, then all the way to the bridge, then we go to the roof, then here, then all the way up there.
Let's go to the third level. What we're gonna do is we have to flip the stairs like that.
That's weird.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Here we are in the third level of the house. Let's turn on the music. And time to dance. The record is also dancing. I think I heard Vampirina dancing upstairs. Let me go upstairs too. Can I also dance with you, Vampirina? Sure, Poppy. But there's no more stairs. What are we gonna do? I can fly. I can go with you, Poppy. I cannot fly. I'm not a bat. Don't worry, Poppy. You can ride on my back. Shh. We're here. Vee, that was cool. I wish I can fly. I wish I'm a vampire too. Oh, Poppy, I wish I'm a human. Oh, that's so funny. You want to be human. I want to be a vampire. Which means it's good. It doesn't matter if you're a vampire or a human. We're best friends. That's right, we're best friends.
The coolest feature about this tower is that you can pull this up. Let's see what happens if we pull this up. There. There is Vampirina and Poppy. Let's do it again. Peekaboo. Up, down, up, down. On the other side, let's see what we can see. Whoa, that's Poppy's friends. Super cool, right? In the middle, we can put the bed of Frankenstacy. But we don't have Frankenstacy. It's okay. We have surprise after this. Surprise! We have Vampirina Fangtastic Friends and her family. Ta-da! Cool! We have another figure of Vampirina. I'm thinking which one are we going to take out first? I think Mama Oksana, the mommy of Vampirina. There she is, a pretty vampire mommy. Oh, I didn't notice she has a beautiful purple eyes, and I love her lipstick, red lipstick. She has a long black hair. Alright, next we're gonna take out Papa Boris, or the daddy of Vampirina, or V. Cool daddy wearing black glasses with a spiky hair. And he's wearing a green shirt and black pants. You know what? It's not black. The shoes is black. It's almost the same, but it's dark purple. The baby! Yes! Baby Nosy wearing her jammy. She has a beautiful yellow eyes. That matches the color of her jammy. She looks very happy. And next we're gonna take out the backpack of Vampirina. And the body. And let's take out this bat. This is actually Vampirina when she turns into a bat. One of Vampirina's friends, Bridget. Bridget has an orange hair, an orange eyebrow. That matches her hair. So this is Wolfie. I wonder if Wolfie can glow in the dark. We got Demi. Demi the ghost. And Gregoria has a very nice purple color with glitters. Vampirina glows here. I wonder if she also glows right there. Let's try it. Yay! She also glows. Nice. Time for Bridget to dance. Let's try Baby Nosy. I hope she won't fall. Oh, this is the cutest. I think I like her better than the others. Yeah, that is cool. Children, dinner is ready. Where are you?
Right here, Mama Oksana.
Where are your friends? They need to eat too.
I called them, Mama. Hello, everyone. Thanks for inviting us for dinner.
You're welcome, Bridget and Poppy. Enjoy your dinner. Where is Baby Nosy? Oh, there you are.
Look, Mama, I can dance. Woohoo!
Oh, I'm proud of you, baby. All right, time for bed. Sleep tight, baby. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.
More toys and surprises.
And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one, everyone. Take care.